Here we got a 70 Sport Satellite, which is a road runner. Plymouth Sport Satellite. 383, 4-speed, 4-barrel. Factory air. Wow, not too many of those around. Man. You probably can't. Look, that air compressor thing in a way you can't see. There's like a little. You can tell. That's how you can tell if it's a 383 if the air compressor wasn't in the way. If you look at the front, where the water manifold is to the block, there's a pad that's even with the block on a 440. Otherwise, you can't tell. I mean, there might be another way to tell. It's the only way I know. I like the 383, but I always like to say, to hell with this shit, you get it at 440. But you know what I like about the 70s? The seats in the interior. And this got bucket seats. A lot of road runners. This is Satellite, but it's Sport Fury. Excuse me. What's this? Sport Satellite. Basically a road runner, man. You got your pistol grip shifter in here. You got your directionals. I mean your high beams down around the floor. It's a $5 part. If your lights go out, it might be your problem. And these windows in the back, you can change them from, if you have pop-out windows, you can put the roll-up windows in these things if it came like that. These are the same stuff, basically. I mean, you got to put all the, the regulator and stuff for the window, but you can't it's the same body. Well, you think, why would they make the body different, right? I like the 70 though. And I like the 71 and 72. The fuselage style. A lot of people don't like that. I like those too. I don't like when they came out. By 74, no. The 383 wasn't a bad motor too, man. It's very durable. Plymouth was making good stuff back then. They should have kept Plymouth around.